Hello students, in this lecture number 21 we are going to discuss how to draft the application under section 9 of CPC. In the previous lecture number 20 we have discussed the provision of section 9 of CPC. So in this lecture we will deal how to draft the application under section 9 of CPC. Now let us start. First of all, at the heading the name of the court is to be mentioned. In the Court of Civil Judge Senior Division Kapurthala, thereafter, the name of the parties is to be mentioned. ABC versus XYZ. ABC is the plaintiff in the present suit and respondent in this present application, whereas XYZ is the defendant in the present suit and applicant in the present application. What is the subject matter? Why this application is given? Application under section 9 of CPC is given, which must be read with section 34 of SURFACE Act 2002 for dismissal of the case for the lack of jurisdiction of the civil court. Thereafter, most respectfully showed, number 1, that the above noted suit is pending before this honorable court and is fixed for today. Number 2, that the plaintiff has filed the present suit for permanent injunction for restraining the applicant oblique defendant, which is a nationalized bank, from making any recovery from the plaintiff by taking possession and auction of his property mentioned in the plaint. Number 3, that the plaintiff has concealed all material facts from this honorable court. It is very important that the plaintiff has concealed all material fact from this honorable court. As a matter of fact, the plaintiff has raised a loan of rupees 5 lakh for agricultural purpose, and for that he mortgaged his land in favor of the applicant oblique defendant by way of simple mortgage to secure the recovery of the above said amount with interest. Number 4, that the plaintiff has committed breach of conditions and has defaulted in repayment of the regular installments, and huge amount has been accumulated against him, and therefore no alternative is left with the applicant defendant to take appropriate action against the plaintiff for recovery of the amount due from the plaintiff under SURFACE Act 2002. Number 5, that under section 34 of SURFACE Act 2002, it is provided as under. What is provided? It is the express bar on the civil court that civil court cannot entertain the suit. What is written? No civil court shall have jurisdiction to entertain any suit or proceeding in respect of any matter which a debt recovery tribunal or appellate tribunal is empowered by or under this act to determine, and no injunction shall be granted by any court or other authority in respect of any action taken or to be taken in pursuance of any power conferred by or under this act, or under the recovery of debt due to the Bank and Financial Institution Act 1993, which is the 51st Act of 1983. Number 6, that the applicant defendant has already issued notice to the plaintiff and has initiated action under the above noted act. Above noted act means SURFACE Act 2002. And this fact has been concealed by the plaintiff from this honorable court. Therefore, the plaintiff is not entitled to any equitable relief of injunction as sought by him. That since this honorable court has no jurisdiction to entertain and adjudicate upon the dispute in question, therefore, no useful purpose will be served by continuing the present suit. And in the interest of justice and equity, the present suit is liable to be dismissed at this stage itself. Number 8, that moreover, the interest of the plaintiff will not be prejudiced in dismissal of the present case, since appropriate remedy is available to him under the Act of 2002. So, what is the prayer? In view of the above stated submissions, it is hereby most respectfully prayed that the suit filed by the plaintiff may kindly be dismissed, since this honorable court has no jurisdiction to try and entertain the present suit, being barred under the said Act of 2002. Number 2, what is the second relief? To pass any other further order which this honorable court may deem fit and proper in the interest of justice and equity. Thereafter, the place where this application has been given, Kapurthala, date that is 19th of April 2019. Thereafter, the applicant give his signature through counsel Ashish Kumar, advocate, which is my name, and thereafter there will be verification. Verify that the contents of my application are true and correct to the best of my knowledge, and nothing has been falsely stated therein. This application has been verified at Kapurthala and verified on 19th of April 2019. Thereafter, applicant will again give his signature, and in this way, this application is complete. Thank you very much.